it's so funny because what Mike's referencing is, Tim Kennedy was on Rogan a couple days ago. He's talking about how I purchased a $20,000 espresso machine. Okay.
Nobody listened to that, though. It was like the
nobody, yeah, it was only like
mil.
15, 20 million people.
Yeah.
But it's like the story is this, which is 2005. The logistics officer came to me from the base and was like, because they knew I was in a coffee, what kind of machine should we buy? I was the guy that just did the research. I was like signing the checks. I didn't fucking have the ability to do that. I was like 27 years old. So it's like
Amazon wasn't even around.
So it's like
you couldn't get a deal.
Yeah, the mythology involved in this. By the way, it's a beautiful espresso machine. It's a La Marzocco.
Was it 20,000 though?
I'm assuming because that's what a La Marzocco 3 group is.
Oh wow.